Lucid gravity is a concept that explores the intersection of perception, physics, and consciousness. At its core, lucid gravity represents a unique approach to understanding the fundamental force of gravity while also considering how human awareness and perception could influence or interpret this force. Gravity, as we know it, is the force that attracts objects toward one another, primarily experienced as the pull that keeps us grounded on Earth. However, the idea of lucid gravity proposes a more profound connection between the mind and the physical world, questioning whether our consciousness might play a role in how we experience or even understand gravity. The term lucid often refers to a state of clarity or full awareness, commonly associated with lucid dreaming, where the dreamer is conscious of and can control their dream. When applied to gravity, the idea suggests that human perception or cognitive faculties could offer a different lens through which we view the traditional laws of physics. Could our awareness somehow shape the way gravity functions or is felt? What if the force of gravity is not just a simple pull of mass, but is also influenced by the mind's awareness, intentions, or energy? One of the intriguing aspects of lucid gravity is its potential to bridge the gap between science and philosophy. The traditional understanding of gravity is deeply rooted in Newtonian mechanics and Einstein's theory of general relativity. These theories describe gravity as a force that operates in a predictable, physical way. However, these models leave certain questions unanswered, particularly when we start considering the subjective experience of gravity. The human mind experiences gravity not only as a force but also through the lens of sensation and emotion. How does our consciousness interpret the feeling of weightlessness or the sensation of being pulled toward the Earth's surface? Furthermore, lucid gravity could have implications for understanding the mind-body connection. There's a growing body of research exploring how our perception of gravity might be tied to how we interact with the world physically. For instance, in a zero-gravity environment, such as in space, astronauts experience changes in their physiological and psychological states. Could it be that the absence of gravity in space affects not only the body but also the mind, altering how astronauts perceive their surroundings? This raises the question, if gravity is, in part, a perceptual experience, what would happen if humans could truly control or alter their perception of it? Exploring the idea of lucid gravity also leads to an examination of how awareness could potentially be harnessed to manipulate the physical forces around us. Could mental concentration or focus be used to alter gravitational effects? This concept pushes the boundaries of what we currently understand about both consciousness and gravity. Although it sounds speculative, there are areas of research in consciousness studies and quantum physics that suggest a connection between the observer and the observed. Some theories in quantum mechanics propose that observation itself can influence the outcome of certain events at a subatomic level. If such a relationship exists, could it be possible for our conscious mind to impact gravity? In conclusion, while the concept of lucid gravity remains speculative, it challenges conventional thinking by proposing a dynamic relationship between perception, consciousness, and the forces that govern the universe. This exploration opens the door to new questions about the nature of reality and how deeply our awareness might be interwoven with the physical world around us. Lucid gravity offers a unique framework for reconsidering the fundamental laws of physics, pushing the boundaries of how we understand both the universe and ourselves.